aspalditik biziraun dute gure arbasoek Euskaldunon lurraldean. Asko izan dira joan direnak, eta atzerrian babesa lortu dutenak. Asko dira ere hemen gelditu eta hemen familia osatu dutenak. Euskal Herria aberatsa da paisaian, aberatsa da kulturan. Gaur, hango eta hemengoak batu, elkartu, lotu, sustraitu nahi ditugu. Sarea egin, sarea handitu. Ideia horrekin, batzen elkarteak, Goierriko udalerriekin, elkarteekin, ateak ireki ekimena sortu zuen.
Hi, show. I'm Isabel from Boise, Idaho, and Nushua is my host sister. I have loved this experience, and it's something that I will never forget, and it's a once in a lifetime. And I've been so blessed and so fortunate to be able to have been matched with Ushua and her family. And we're one big family now, and I feel like I've made so many connections, and it's just been very immersive and a just great experience to know my homeland and the Basque culture.
Hello, my name is Catherine Bain, and I'm from Bakersfield, California. I have been staying in Zumárraga with Jonas and his family. This experience has been truly life-changing. I am one of 4 sisters, and I can now say I have more siblings. Being the first person in my family to come back to the Basque Country has been so wonderful. I can't wait to come back and share.
Niri programa aurkeztu zidan Uxuek nire klasekide batek, eta izan da, izugarrizko esperientzia, ze kan beldurra edo etzan, ez genuen inoizekiola pertsona bat kanpokoa etxen, kristen integrazio nahi ondala, gire etxen giro nahi ondala, eta iriki gehala eta lortu dugula benetako saretzea, bai etxen baian gero baita beste taldekidekin ekintzetan, eta egia esan izan da izugarria ikustea nola lortu duen, beste pertsona bat txertatzea 3 astetan eta zondo modatu behan.
For me, I think there were some really interesting parts, like seeing Guernica and then Laketia, where my family's from. And I thank you for your family for taking me. And just learning stories in the dance classes that we had, it was really neat to kind of learn, even though people maybe couldn't speak Basque or like in our group, and it was just dance as a way to communicate. And I think that was a really interesting aspect of something I learned. The group aspect of community is really important, and I've learned that for sure. So. Yes.
Kaisho, ni Marcus Nice. This is my host family. My host family is great. They live in Enoeta on a beautiful mountain. They are awesome. I couldn't be luckier to have them. I've had a great 3 weeks, and I would not prefer anyone else. I learned more Basque. I learned way more Basque history. I can speak a little bit. I hope more in the future, but just way more about my origins and my roots from the Basque culture. You need to come to meet families like them, and you'll have a great experience.
Nik uste lagundu bertzeielako bai beraien kultura edo nundikan datorren eta benetan aberasgarria dalako.
Gu oso gustora gaude.
Bai, eta saiatu gea pixka bat transmititzen behaiek.
Bai.
Saiatu gea, Euskal Herria zer dan, Euskal kultura, gu zer gean.
Euskaldunok zer geran eta zer ez geran.
Hello, this is Basque ASMR. Tonight we're going to be bringing you some soft sounds. Wait, are you going to ask us a question?
No, you gotta stop.
Oh, so my name is Quinn. I wanted to do Aitekaireki to connect with my Basque heritage, and that's what I've done. And why did you want to be a host parent, Dad?
Ni Josu naz, eta Xabirekin batera hartu dugu Queen eta Oma, eta pizkat eureri Euskal Herriko esperientzia hau lagungarri eitzeko. Oman kasuen ez eta familirik ez euki Euskal Herriko interesa eukireu, eta gu, gu posarren erakutitzagu amengo gauzak, eta konbertsazioak, eta ohiturak, eta lekuek, eta gustora ibili gara. We gossip a lot.
Oh, we love to gossip. Yeah, what do we do together? We gossip. We eat a lot of good food. I got to go to Elizondo, where some of my family was from. We learned Basque dancing. We're practicing our euskera.
And we got to go to Yosu's family farm, which has been in their family for a long time. It was very beautiful. I think especially for Americans, it's very amazing to experience a culture that's so community-based. And going to my speed day every day and seeing all the other students that are in the program is really nice.
Yeah, I think it's a great opportunity to create community abroad and with other Basque people, and to learn more about our culture to keep it alive here and in the US. So I think it's a great opportunity.
Kaixo ni Bella Echeverria Nice.
Ni Mia Barrera Nice.
Ni Bakersfield Koa.
Eta Boise Koa.
I decided to come to Aitekaireki because I really wanted to connect more with my Basque culture. This is my third time in the Basque Country, and every time I've come, I've just come with my family. So this has been a completely different experience and something that I have had so much fun in, and it's something I would have done. To live with my host family, and I love them, have been so wonderful in welcoming me and my brother Joseph into their home, giving us their room. It's honestly just an experience that I will never forget. Yeah, I'll let Mia talk.
Okay, I have never been to the Basque Country or Europe before, but at home in Boise, I dance. My family's very Basque, and we're proud to be Basque. All of my friends know. I invite them to all the summer festivals, and I wanted to really experience the culture in this country itself, and I think staying with the host family really allowed me to do that. My host siblings were so fun, and Nere was kind enough to let me have her room. I'd have breakfast with my host sister, Nere, every morning, and I got to meet all of her friends. Pincho Pote was super fun. All of our families were friends, and we danced and we talked, and it was a really unforgettable experience. My Amuma and her sisters always tell stories about coming back here. They would come here every summer when they were young, and so it was really cool to get to see that firsthand, what they were doing, what they did, where they're from. And I don't know, I'm just excited to go back and share all of my experiences with my Amuma so we can talk about it and bond on a deeper level about being Basque. I'm very grateful, and I will be back next summer.
So the first weekend, my host family was so kind to take me to our hometown in Amaiur, And coincidentally, my cousins from San Diego were also visiting, so we had like a 60-person lunch, got to see all of my cousins again. It's been like 5 years since I've seen all my family since we were here last, and it was awesome just to see everyone. I try to speak Euskera as best as possible, but yeah, it was really nice to see everyone and my host family to take me, and my family get to meet my host family. I think it's really important that we all came because I feel like a lot of us are either second or third or fourth generation Basque, so getting to be here and kind of really understand our heritage and our culture to pass it on to the next generation after us is really important, to just kind of let it live on. I feel like we all have a much bigger appreciation and are going to become more influential in our Basque clubs back in the United States. So no. I wouldn't have met so many people in the Basque community in the United States if I didn't come here. And now I have so many more friends. Hyaldi next year, I have like Mia, I'm gonna come stay with Mia. And we all get to, and Anders gonna come too. Big sleepover. So we get to see each other again, and we all have this experience to share and reflect on. So,
Bye.
Bye.
Oso ondo.
Oso ondo.
Agur.
Agur.
Kaixo, ni Josu Kolbonarru Barrena naiz, eta Boise Idol jokoa naiz. Bai, hemen naiz nire ama eta anaia, zegamakoa. Oso pozik nago hemen eta triste naiz uteko.
Kaixo, ni Abi naiz, ni Boisekoa naiz. Nik ogei, arte ditut. And that's all I know in Basque. I took part of this program because I heard about it through Udaleku, and also just mutual friends said it was a blast last year. So I was really excited to be a part of this and getting accepted into the program. And I've always wanted to explore my Basque cultural roots here in the Basque country. And I got really excited because my dad has visited here, my sister, my mom, and they all loved it. So I was just really excited to take part in something like this, and it has been so beneficial and a great experience. And yeah, I was very lucky to have such an amazing family.
Kaixo, I'm Julia.
I'm Igor.
What's your name? Name.
My name is Ori.
My name is Oli.
Maule, está? Bye.
My sisters and my cousin both signed up for it, and so I thought I would too. And just to learn more about like the Basque culture and community and a little more language too.
Kaixo, ni Abi naiz. Ni hermanas, Elene eta Mayalen. Ni ama, Yosune eta ni aita, Emilio. My brother stayed with Yosune eta Emilio last year, so he told me about the program, and then I stayed with them. I don't know. He stayed with them last year, so I stayed with them this year. So I'm Basque. I don't know. I'm Basque. I'm Basque. Don't look at me. I don't know what to say. Being a part of their family was cool, and I don't know.
Bueno, egia esan gu programa hontan apuntau ginen, kasi txiripaz. Probatzeko aizkenen zer esperientzi izango zen, eta egia esan, pena amezi izan do, uste eta harremanak asko lotu ditugula, eta espero de luzerako.
Jaso gendun e-mail bat esan ia animatuko ziren familiak ekarten diaskorako Euskal Amerikarrak, Eta gero ezagutu gendun Ander elordu idalako bat, hau dena koordinatzen duena, eta ezin zitzaiona ezetz esan. Eta gitxi garen ezetzean, esan gendun beste bat ekarriko dugu.
It's been nice having like a large family because it keeps you busy and it's lots of fun.
Esan 3 aste azkarregi pasatu direla, ikaragarri ondo ibili garela, eta guk oso ondo pasa degula. Zoragarria izan dela olako neskato bat gure etxean edukitzea.
Beti iruditu izan zego esperientzi polite ez, gure kultura nolabait zabaltzea, eta gehiago ikusita ez, beraiek ze lotura aukien Euskal Herrikin, orduan, gure etxeko atekirik egin ditu niaz, eta esperientzia oso polite izan zan egia esan, eta horten errepikatzeko aukera izan dugu, eta postiko aita oso ondo.
Egon naiz hemen Euskal Herrian, txikitan, baina bakirik egon naiz Bizkaian, mundakan nire herrian, egon da esperientzia diferente, baina asko maitesuna egon da, eta lagundu da ni asko, eta janero etorri atzera Gipuzkoara, Zegamara, eta geldatu hemen bizien hemen, así que oso pozik egon naiz.
Harremanetan jarri ginen lehenengo WhatsApp bidez. Gmail eta gero WhatsApp bidez. Kontaktau zuten gurekin eta, aste bete lehenago zerela Euskal Herrian. Eta geratu ginen elkartzeko, gonbidatu gintuzten mundakara. Eta egia esan, ezagutu genuen, bere arreba, bere ama, eta Boizeko beste familia, lehenengo familia Boizen. Eta egia esan, izan zen, berezi, bastante gu ez gaude hola ohituta, ez dakik kanpoko jendekin dala harremanak eukitzen hola, baina oso ondo, nik uste oso ondo moldau ginela danon arten.
Kaixo, ni Elene naiz eta Lazkautarra naiz. Eta horten adoptau dut amerikana bat, Juliana Jauregi, Kaliforniakoa. Eta nire partetik oso ondo pasaet, kriston esperientzi ona izan da, biok oso ondo amategea. Hasieran izan zara pixkak inkomoda, baina gero ingles hartzezunen, gauza gehiago ikustezu gauza asko dituzula, gusto igualak eta orduina konfiantza kristona hartzezu. Nik esan nion, zer gauza ni horrema naiz ekintza guztitan, apunta nintzen dana eta aparte gure etxeko amerikanak eta guztik erlazionatzen ginen, euskaldun eta beste amerikano guztikin, eta izan da lanetzako, kriston ona, ze izan gehat dana bat, dana izan gehat pina bat bezala eta oso ondo pasadeu, kriston harreman onak initugu. Nik beldurre genduko nion, jendeo izatezuna, eske ni inglesa, nire hola naiz. Berdin dola faiatzizu, ez? Behaiek, aurpegin raro jartzizu eta esatizu, dana zuzen dut, dana ikizue. Let's go, you can do it. Hola, dimora hostin. Kiston esperientziona eta earkin.
Epa, ni Dominica naiz, Salt Lake City koa naiz. This is my host family, my host mom Ainara, and then my host sister Isar. I really had a lot of fun with them.
Ni Ainara naiz, eta honen bizi gara. Eta proiektuan parte hartu nun ez ezagutzatik, hasteko, etxean gazteak hartzen genitulako, baina gure etxeko nerabeak eta gazteak ere parte hartu altzutelako. Eta konprometitu nintzen, baina hori baino garrantzitsuagoa, konprometitu ginen. Eta niretzat oso importantea zen nire etxeko gazteak proiektu hontan sinistea, nik beraiengatik egin detelako eta horrek merezi izan dulako bereziki. 3 aste izan dira eta ni ez naiz konturatu. Azkarregi pasadia.
Amatxo!
Hello, I am Monique Hegel-Estroy Fletcher. I am Dominica's ama.
I am from the United States, from Salt Lake City, Utah. I think that this program is an amazing program for all of the young in the United States to come to at one time or another. We were extremely blessed with having Anyara and her family take Dominica in. They will forever be a part of our family.
Ni zer naiz, beti ukiet gogoak mundua ezagutzeko eta kanpora joateko, eta esperientzia niretzako itzela izan da. Azkenen nintut lagunak, nun gelditu dian gero pasatzeko kurtsoan ere lagun bezala, eta ez bakarrik udan. Oantxe bertan hemen eukitzea Dominika, azkenen niretzako aizpa bat, egotea hemen bere ama gurekin, ikustea guri ere hemen behaien parte, behaien familian parte, eta behaien gure familian parte, guretzako super baliagarria da eta niretzako ere. No more hiking for me, please.
Dominica.
Dominica is así.
Ay, ay, ay. Oh, we love
Komentatu zigun bea Baigorrikoa zela jatorriz, eta arduan junginan horra ideia handirik eduki gabe bakarrik beak gorretzen zituen bi abizenak, eta hasi ginen bilatzen mundu guztiak galdetzen lotxo handik eduki gabe ezagutzen dezu etxetara sartzen, ateak jotzen, eta azkenen lortu denun supermerkatu baten bitartez, Andre baten izena junginan bere etxera, eta azkenen beak egizizkigun ateak egon ginen berekin familiko kide kontrastatzen, igual izebak, aiton amonak, norbait ezagutzen zuten komunean, eta azkenen iritsi ginen Maitia, Maria, edo amatxu Maitia, edo Andre baten gana zala bien familia, eta hortikan lortu genuen azken ikustea baiziala familia eta arkitu genula azkenean bere familiko pertsona bat Baigorrin.
Going through Baigorri was so amazing to see a town that I've only heard of in stories finally. It was so beautiful, and it was really nice to walk the streets where my ancestors did. We weren't able to find the family house, but we did find a living relative, which was more than I ever thought was possible. Considering that my family had no family records. Also, Eunice's dad was able to email the town and city hall and get even more information about my relatives, so I can continue to follow that thread and build a relationship here in the Basque Country. So super thankful for that.
When we get this chance again, you have to come. I would highly, highly recommend. And it's a blast. And you won't ever get it again. You will never forget it. It's amazing.
Don't hesitate applying. You'll never have too little or too much experience in the Basque Country. It's such an amazing experience. Just take it with an open heart and really just look around and enjoy the experience.
Ez egitzeko beldurra, eta azkenen igual zure etxeko amerikanoakin ez baldin bazea oso ondo konpontzen, ez detela uste hori gertauko da, nik dozkezu beste 30 aurkera hemen erlazio berrik sortzeko eta hurren urten eukitzeko aukera area juteko, ze azkenen, ez dakit, mundua ez da zure herritxo bakarrik eta juten baldin bazea ezagutzea, ez dakit niretzako hori oso interesgarria da.
Nahiz eta irutu ezakeen agian zaila izango ala, edo hasieran ez duzula eukiko zeitzein, edo zeren ez daukezula ezer komunen, azkenen behiek ere euskaldunak die jatorri berreina daukeu, eta ateak irekita mantetzen baitutu zu, eta zuk berti irekita balin bat zaude ikasteko goz edo jakin minez lortuko zu harreman politu bat eraikitzea bai behaiekin zein beste amerikar guztiekin, eta izango denetan esperientzia bat oso aberasgarria eta aztezina.
Because it's just an overall really good experience, and I mean, I don't know how else you're supposed to connect to Basque culture and language in the way that you do in this program and stuff.
I'd say coming through Ateak Ireki, I got to experience being Basque. Living with another family has helped me to get the real, authentic, true experience and seeing how they live their everyday lives and the everyday experiences they go through and yeah, I don't know.
I just had a great time seeing like how the Basque culture operates now in current and modern times, and then also like being with this family, and like I don't really have that at home, so it was really awesome to see like family and like going to dinner with them every single night. It was amazing. This is literally my family now, and I'm so lucky. Yeah, I think it's just a great way to connect with your culture, even if you're a small part Basque. It makes a huge difference, and it's such an amazing culture. The people here are so tight-knit and amazing. It's awesome. It's something I'm definitely going to take back to the United States and remember for the rest of my life. Yeah, I'm very lucky. That's all I can say.
I'm gonna miss them a lot too. I love them. It's like a second family.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. We have.
And you're my brother. My little brother I never had.
Oh. We love him.
Yeah.
We love
I love them.
We love you.
Eric the best.
You are the best.
Thank you. Thank you. Es que gasco.
You gave us loads. I don't know. It's been amazing time in 3 weeks.
Me too.
And
I
don't
couldn't
try
ask.
tomorrow.
I couldn't ask for a better host family. I got very lucky,
We love him.
and I love them. Good.
Good.
Okay. Oso ondo.
Eta ala bazan, edo ez bazan, zer dadila kalabazan, eta atera dadila munduko plazan. Eskerrik asko parte hartu duzuen familia, elkarte, udal eta giza honako guztioi. Zuek gabe, honek ez lukerako funtzionatuko.
Maitasun poema eskatu zidan, ahots amur batan atzean, inoiz ikusi nuen neska ederrena, izerazpian neukan alboan. Maitasun poema eskatu zidan, neure amodioa adieraz nezan, hitzen arteko jolasa maitazuan, bera protagonista bazan. Maitasun poema idatzi nion, paperik gabeko lerrotan, neure maitasuna nola adierazi, izgabeko olarkietan. Olarki baten, izaten galdurik, maitasuna agertu zen. Poeta lana, ez inoiz erraza, oe gaineko jolasetan. Maitasun poema idatzi ezinik, ohe gainean bezarkaturik, eta ofizioa ez da inoiz erraza, soinu jolarrun bat bazara. Olerki baten hitzetan galdurik,